Do you want to improve your health dramatically with just one exercise? An intriguing proposition, isn't it? Well, today we're talking about squats, an exercise so universal yet so powerful. Squats, a powerhouse of benefits, can help you shape your health in ways you've never imagined. From strengthening your body to improving your metabolism, they are the secret ingredient to a healthier, fitter you. So, are you ready for a change? If you're ready to transform your health, let's dive into the 5 reasons why everyone should be squatting. Firstly, squats offer a full-body workout. They're not just about your legs. When done correctly, squats engage multiple muscle groups all at once. Your core tightens, your back strengthens, and your lower body muscles, from your glutes to your calves, are all put to work. This simultaneous engagement leads to increased fat burn and muscle development, making squats an incredibly efficient exercise. So, for a time-efficient whole-body workout, squats are your go-to exercise. Secondly, squats increase your flexibility. Imagine your body as a machine. The more you use it, the better it functions. Similarly, when you squat, you're effectively stretching and strengthening your lower body muscles, including your hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves. This increased flexibility reduces the risk of injury by making your muscles more pliable and resilient. It's like tuning a musical instrument. The more you adjust and play, the better the sound. With squats, you'll not only get stronger but also become more flexible. Let's move on to the 3rd and 4th reasons: improving balance and strengthening the core. Squatting is a complex movement that requires coordination and stability. Each squat is like a balancing act, training your body to remain upright even when carrying weight. This, in turn, improves your overall balance. As for the core, it's constantly engaged during a squat, working to stabilize your body throughout the movement. This engagement leads to a stronger, more robust midsection. If you want to improve your balance and have a stronger core, squats should be part of your routine. Lastly, squats can give your metabolism a boost. The secret lies in the intensity of the exercise. Squats are high-powered movements that require a great deal of energy. This energy demand kicks your metabolism into high gear, even long after you've finished your workout. This boost in metabolism aids in weight management, helping you to burn more calories throughout the day. It's like having a little furnace that never stops burning. Want to keep your metabolism humming? Squats are the answer. In conclusion, squats offer numerous benefits. They serve as an all-around workout, enhancing flexibility, balance, and core strength, while also revving up your metabolism. Incorporating squats into your daily regimen can bring about a profound shift in your overall health and fitness. So why wait? Let's start investing in ourselves today by integrating squats into our routine. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. So start squatting today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exercise tips, and we'll see you in the next video.